In this video, I'll show you how to customize tabs in Salesforce Lightning so your navigation bar reflects exactly how you work. Start on the home page and look for the small pencil icon on the right side of the navigation bar. Clicking it opens the navigation items editor, where you can control which tabs appear and in what order. Use Add More Items to browse available objects, apps, and tools, or use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Many users like adding the app launcher for faster switching between apps. Once your items are selected, drag and drop them to prioritize the tabs you use most frequently toward the left. Keep the list focused to avoid clutter. Click Save to apply your changes, and revisit the editor anytime to refine it. If the pencil icon isn't visible, you may need additional permissions. Subscribe for more simple Salesforce Lightning tips and tutorials.